Today we are talking about solar panel cleaning. I am your host Nimisha. You are watching My Solar India. Solar panels does not have any moving parts, which is why their backquote is not a whole lot of maintenance to take care of. However, cleaning is one aspect of solar panel maintenance that should not be taken lightly. Manually solar panel cleaning is the easiest and cheapest way to clean the panels. In large capacity solar plants, manual cleaning is frequently not possible. Akopia is the pioneer and world leader in automation and robotics for large-scale solar. Akopia offers cloud-based connected platform and a suite of robotic solutions for smart management of solar plants. Akopia's robust cleanup plus 1.84 billion solar panels. They have 13 patents in their portfolio. Also deployed 2,200 megawatt solar plants. Copia E4. Acopia's robust E4 robot. For fixed-tilt solar installations can clean up to 1,000 modules in a single nightly operation using powerful yet soft microfiber and controlled airflow. E4 moves dust particles downwards and off the panels. Moving along a rigid frame, E4 adds no load to the panel surface, and has been proven to be fully safe on both panels and anti-reflective coating. E4 centrally controlled by a cloud-based master. The robots can be remotely managed from anywhere anytime. Copia E4, making power of the sun even brighter. Copia T4. T4 robots for single-axis tracker installations. The lightweight Copia T4 robots smartly remove panel soiling by using a soft microfiber and controlled airflow while the tracker is in stow position, navigating an optimized path. The fully autonomous robot can independently travel to neighboring tracker over dedicated bridges, leveraging integral sensors. Centrally controlled by a cloud-based master, the robots can be remotely managed from anywhere anytime. T4, another changing mobile solution from Akopia. Thank you for watching. Visit us on Instagram and Facebook.